Welcome to another episode of Learn French with Blessed. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate. So, today we are going to continue with learning French numbers, les chiffres. So we've gone all the way to 60, and now we are going to start with 70 to 100. So, let's begin. So, we said 70 is 70. Now, there's something I want you to note about the next set of numbers, that is from 50 to 100. These numbers have taken, they have a kind of a formula that is not found in numbers 0 to 50. That is because from 20, transition between 20 and 30, we do it using numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, all the way to 9. Transition between 30 and 40, that is 31, 32, 33, 34, we add numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 9. But now you're going to realize in these two numbers that I'm going to mention, we are going to transit, or we are going to add them up with numbers 11, 12 to 19. So that case is for 70 and 90. So 70 and 90 are unique. They do not, that is 71 to 79, they take 11 to 19. Then 90 to 99, they take 11 to 19. So as you're going to observe, I want you to be very keen, and also the pronunciations get a little bit, complex, but not so much complex, because we are still repeating the same numbers from 0 to 20, but only adding some kind of, some other numbers. So let's begin. So 70 is 70. Then 71 is 71. Then 72, 72. Then 73, 73. 74. 76. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. Then 80 is 80. 80. So, what you've realized is we are no longer adding 1 to 9 in our numbers. We are now adding 11 to 19. So, it's a matter of addition, and it's so easy if only you can remember those two rules, the rule of 70 and the rule of 90. So, on forward, so that you can, finish up with, learn all the way to 100, so that you can now write it down or whatever you're doing, so that you can see the old difference as I'm talking about it. So let's repeat number 70 to 80. 70, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, then 80 is 80. So basically from 71 is 70 plus 11, 70 plus 12, 70 plus 13, 70 plus 14, 70 plus 15. So all the way to 80, which is now 80. That is 4 20s. That is 20 times 4. So 4 comes first, then 20. So 80, 4 20s. And the 20 as an S, because we are saying 4 20s. Then now 80 goes back to the formula of 21 and 31, which is we now add 80 plus 1, 80 plus 2, 80 plus 3. So we say 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 86, 87, 88, 89. Then 90 is 90. So 81 is not difficult. It's just 80 plus 1. So we start with 80. So 4 plus 20. That is 4 times 20. Then from there now we do the addition. So it becomes 80 plus 1, 80 plus 2, all the way to 80 plus 9. And then now, 90 is 90. That is 4 times 20 plus 10. 4, then 20s. 4 for 4, then 4 20s plus 10. That is 90 for you. So 90 might look a bit complex for now, but it's not complex or complicated if you keep on going back to it. So here we go. Now 89 to 100. So, sorry, 90 to 100. So 90 this. Now for this one, we add 11, 12, 13, 14, all the way to 19. So for 90, we say 90 plus 11, that's 91. 90 plus 12, 92. 90 plus 13, 93. 90 plus 4, 94. I was not good in mathematics, but I'm very good in French, I believe so. So let's go back now to our pronunciations. 90 this, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Then 100 is so. So there we are. That is French numbers 70 to 100 for you. I know, 80, 90, but let me tell you, it's easy. You know, everybody, you know, the French, whoever uses French, they have done it. You can also do it. So let's go back all the way to 80. 80, 20, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, then 90, 91, 92, 93, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 97, 98, 99, then so. There you are. So the best way to learn these numbers is for you now to start looking for numbers everywhere. For example, you can start with the year of your birth. If, for example, you were born in 1920, what are you going to say? So you start with what you know to what you don't know. I have not taught the so, but, well, I can just give you the 1990. 1990. Well, we are going to learn about the hundreds and the thousands and the millions in our next episode. But for now, start practicing with, you know, those two numbers. 90, give yourself a random number, 79, 64, 51, 35. When you give yourself